Hello everyone, welcome back to the IDFC First Bank Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 24-25 season from the Holkar Cricket Stadium in Indore. It's Tripura versus Uttarakhand.
Mandeep will spin the coin.
Heads.
Heads is the call.
बैटिंग फर्स्ट.
क्या कर रहे हो आकाश?
सब बैटिंग करेंगे इस पिच पे.
Bench strokes of Tripura, they also call him Mura Singh. On the money as always. If the morning game is any cue, spinners should have a little bit of a roll over here, or is it going to get better under lights?
4 रन आएंगे गैप के अंदर.
Not quite. Beautiful. Great hands through the ball.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया, बिल्कुल सीधे बल्ले से खेल दिया. ये स्ट्रेंथ है युवराज की.
Has he cleared it? Has he cleared it? No, just the one bounce.
Oh, there he goes. It didn't turn much. He missed the line completely. So that he was getting very, very impatient. That's up in the air. Wherever it goes, it did not middle the ball. He didn't want to. He wanted to hit over mid-wicket. Thankfully, it got an inside edge. Oh, look at that. Timed it to perfection. Ravi Kumar Samarth did not try to hit the ball too hard. Oh, there it goes. Wicket number 2. Went for a cut. Yuvraj Chaudhary out for 22. 39 for 2.
Is that in the gap? Oh, just dived over the ball. Big hit. Has he got enough? He certainly has. Long off has given that up. Excellent piece of timing and playing with the turn.
ये वो ओवर है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. हवा में बॉल, फील्डर वहां मौजूद, एक आसान सा कैच.
Uttarakhand lose their third for 77.
ओह, ये गेम थोड़ा रुका है विकेट से. समझ नहीं आया चौहान को कि क्या किया जाए.
He's gone with a troubling the scorers is Chauhan. It's 77 for 4. Just like this. Look at how delectable that is. No Tripura player has ever taken a fifer inside Mushtaq Ali. I think safe is about 150 plus, but I think anything between 135 and 145 is a very good total on this pitch.
रन जाएंगे, फील्डर वहां मौजूद, सीधा पॉइंट के हाथ में.
Larry is gone for 20. Uttarakhand 110 for 5.
ये लीजिए, ये आते संगी हुआ है. नेल्सन बोर्ड पे भी लग गया था. विकेट बिल्कुल तैयार खड़ी थी.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Straight. Oh, good catch. Wonderful catch. He smashed it, Ravi. But this time, the fielder. Oh, that's nicely played. Very nicely improvised by Vijay Sharma.
और ये गेंद रुकनी चाहिए थी. 19वां ओवर डाल रहे हैं. लीजिए, मिली विकेट.
Vijay Sharma out for 11. Uttarakhand 128 for 7. This time the slower one didn't work. He was waiting for it. He knew he was going to bowl a slower one.
या आप गेंदबाजों से बातचीत करते रहें, फील्ड सेट करते रहें. फिर वही लाइन.
And they complete their 150 with the single. After 20 overs, Uttarakhand 150 for 7. And last 2 overs, they have conceded 31 runs. That is where Uttarakhand might have taken the game away from Tripura. Last 30 balls, 50 runs has been scored.
आदित्य तरे की एक छोटी सी पारी थी लेकिन किफायती थी. स्वप्निल 18 रन बना के नाबाद रहे 9 गेंदों में। और ऊपर अगर आप देखें युवराज ने भी आज जो 22 रन बनाए, वहां भी वो बहुत साफ सुथरी पारी नजर नहीं आई। बहरहाल 150 रन इस वक्त बोर्ड पे लगा दिए हैं उत्तराखंड ने।
Now become the most liked, loved format all over. Up in the air, is there a chance? Yep. He's gone short, hard length, Fuller. Ball will win this. Usually the balls have won most of the races over here. Exquisite.
कमाल का शॉट खेल दिया है, 6 रन मिलेंगे।
Up and over. That's a big hit.
क्रॉस द लाइन खेल दिया है, एक और 6। 50 रन की साझेदारी पूरी होती हुई इन दोनों के बीच। और एक बार फिर खेल दिया है, एक और 6 होगा। ओ मिसफील्ड। आकाश मधवाल एक बार फिर फील्डिंग में कहीं गड़बड़ होती हुई उनसे।
Beautiful timing. Excellent placement.
That's a long hop. That's a half tracker. You can't expect to check the flow, Franz, if you keep bowling. And with that, Bikram Kumar scored a well-made 50 of just 26 deliveries. He's in a hurry, Bikram Kumar. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You can't keep bowling the freebies.
एक बार फिर हाफ ट्रैकर, ये जाएगा बाहर। 100 रन की साझेदारी पूरी होती हुई इन दोनों के बीच।
That's nicely played. Another boundary, and he completes his 50. Wonderful 50 to Sridham Paul. Second of this tournament, Sridham Paul. Wonderful 50.
बेहतर की बात कर रहा था, ये 6 रन आ गए। एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई।
Just the punch, the thump with the bottom hand. Is there a chance? Yep. Just hold out, trying to hit that more backward.
Bikram Kumar Das कमाल की पारी खेलकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए 79 की पारी 141 पर 2।
Biggie, that's gone for 6. Superb hit.
और इसी के साथ ये मैच त्रिपुरा ने 8 विकेट से जीत लिया है। बड़ा आसानी से मैच जीता उन्होंने। बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी बिक्रम कुमार दास के बल्ले से और श्रीधम पॉल के बल्ले से 141 रनों की साझेदारी ने, जिसने गेम सेट एंड मैच त्रिपुरा के पक्ष में जीता।
That is as convincing a victory you will see in T20 cricket. First victory of the season as far as Saad Mushtaq Ali is concerned. Complete dominance